Hi, my name is Mangogo Baby. You're watching Bona Kena le Mang on Champros on YouTube.
Bona Kena le Mang, Bona Kena le Mang, Bona Kena le Mang, Bona Kena le Mang, Bona Kena le Mang.
Ofentse, you already know what it is. This is the hardest show on the planet, Buffet. Bona Kena le Mang.
My name is Ofentse Mojapelo and I'm just here with you guys.
Ofentse Mojapelo, is this your first time on TV?
Yes, this is my first time, I mean.
Don't consider it your last because we're going up. So anyway, before we go anywhere, just tell us a bit about yourself or where you're from and all that, what you do.
Oh, my name is Ofentse Mojapelo. I'm from Remadi Park. I'm 16 years old and I'm doing grade 11 at Mountain View High School. Yes. So I just work at ThobelaFm, as you can see. Yes, as you can see.
Pimp the drip. So okay, yeah. Since you're still in high school and all that, so yeah, can you say it's your dream to one day like be a radio presenter, be what on a radio like all the way up?
It wasn't actually my dream, you know. Like my mother just said, we were one day sweeping in the house, ne? So like my mother's like, hear this outfit on radio, and it's like, don't you want to get it? And I was like, do what you gotta do. We gotta see. Then now I'm here. Yeah. You see?
We're here. So yeah. So the things that you do apart from like being interested in radio, maybe you are a football player. What is it that you do when you are not in the radio or at school?
I drip. Go refashion. One salon. You understand? Apart from that, I also dance. You know, dancing. You know, do the dance moves and stuff. But most of the time, you do drip.
Yeah. I can tell by the energy. Yes, you do drip.
You see? As you can see.
So yeah, it's nice. Who can you say it's in all the radio? You say you wasn't a fan. Who like inspires you the most on the radio, in the radio station?
Letabo Matato, Lejoy. I mean, can you see how big she is? Like, she appears on television. She's been on the Real Housewives of Johannesburg. I mean, like, getting to see her actually, it's just like a dream come true, you know? Yeah, so like, I always cherish the moments and stuff, and I was so happy to see her today. Like, it just feels so unreal. But it is what it is. So
you're working with famous people, eh?
Celebrity, come now to buy celebrity, man. You get me
here too. Yeah.
Come get selfies with me, like.
Yeah. I feel you. That's what's up. So guys, today we have sorry, I don't want to say your name wrong because we almost get sued every time for pronouncing the people's name in a wrong way. So yeah, your name?
Ofentse Mojapelo.
Am I saying it right? Ofentse Mojapelo. So do you have a radio impression like those ones they do? You are now listening to the yeah. Do yours. Are you kidding me? Do yours.
It's lava mine. It's another stadium and it's 7.692.1. ThobelaFm. Oh my guy.
Wait, here's a challenge. You already know what it is. We're now chilling with the hottest on the planet. This is cover the time, cover the trip. I'm chilling with my lady here. So Bona Kena le Mang. So it was nice to have you. So I know you're still young, but what do you want to be remembered as in closing? And what can you say to all your fans and the people that actually look up to you right now? Because being on ThobelaFm is big. I mean, we out here feeling big.
The advice I would give like to my fans is that like I really appreciate the love and the support that they give me, and every day I get inspired by people. I can remember I'm still growing. So like to support everything I'm finding on le advising our fan something. No matter the age, no matter the time, anything is possible if you're willing to put an effort to it. Okay, so I love you guys.
That's what's up. So what do you want to be remembered as?
The cotton eater. The girl who knew how to drip.
Yeah.
The girl who, like, I want to be in the history books. Like, you have the record books. Wang Tol. But we're still going. We're going to get there. By God, we're going to get there.
Definitely, it was nice having you. Thank you very much. You already know what it is. We're dripping sauce out here. So yeah, lastly, you can just say you are watching Bona Kena le Mang on YouTube. You introduce yourself. You say you are watching Bona Kena le Mang on YouTube.
Bona Kena le Mang nna ka leina ke nna Ofentse wa ga Mojapelo ke go tshwaretse Bona Kena le Mang mo YouTube make sure wena wa lebelela wa subscribe. Thank you.
Don't forget to do them things. That was nice. Thank you. Are you definitely the next big thing?
Yeah,
You definitely. Your energy. Yeah.
Bona Kena le Mang.